This 2018 Keystone Impact 311 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Orange Park, Florida, 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 110 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.